Hello everyone. This is a computer 22 inches computer monitor. So how to what do you call this one, repair this monitor. So when you open this, the way step by step is to remove the stand. So the design of this is to pull this, and then so there's no screw at all to remove the frame on the screen on the front. So by here, and then so on and so on, and then so you can remove, you know, the cover. So this is the manual control of this, and then so the next step is to put the screen this way, and then remove it, you know, the cover, and then so there's a terminal by here from the board going to the screen. So remove this also, this, and then the next remove, you know, the then the next step is to remove the terminal from the main audio video board, and then this board is power supply. So next step is to remove the terminal, and then remove the screw, and then after that, pull this, and then the next step is you know, this two wires. So this one is connected to the main board, power supply going to the screen, supply to the what is on the screen. So you will remove the terminal by here. So after that, you will pull this, and then you can get this out of the table, and then this is the main board. So the problem of this monitor won't come on. So the common problem is you know, lost connection, but there's no lost connection at all. So if you can see, you can notice, you know, the parts, the obvious defect. So most the common problem, capacitor. So this one is fine, and then there's an obvious defects by here. This one is already blotted. So the problem of this board or monitor is only the capacitor. So I will remove this, and then change new one. So I remove the screen out, and then I have soldering. Iron as desoldering. So I will reheat by my soldering iron, and then remove the solder. So I already removed the defects capacitor. If you can see that it's already blotted, nearly explode. So the number of this is 680 microfarad, 25 volts. So I have already a replacement by here. So the same number, the same microfarad. So if you can see that if you compare to the old one and then the new one, is different. This one is flat. So I will put this capacitor on the board. So there's a negative, there's a positive, so there's a sign on this board. So I need to repair the terminal so I can easily put back in on the hole. So yeah, I already resoldered the new capacitor on here. So this is the main power supply going to audio video board, and then this one is supplied to the screen. Okay, so I will put back in now. Then put back in the wire socket going to audio video board. So no need to remove or okay. And then put back the screw, 4 screw. So after that, I will install this put it really clean. Yeah.